Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, as in Young Forever. In today's video, we'll be jumping in right into Valentine's. You know, I'm always late. But with work and all, guys, Sister K is busy. Okay? But how are you guys doing? It's my first time for the year. Yeah? I think. Happy New Year. Is it still Happy New Year? We're in February already. Can you believe that? We're in February already. And it's soon time for Valentine's. Where the time going? God knows. But I hope you guys are doing well for the new year. I hope things are going your way. Okay? With all my chit-chatting. But before, I have to leave you a little motivation. Stop worrying. Okay? God is working out everything for you. Just prepare for your miracle. With all of that chit-chatting, let's go DIY. So, as I said, we're jumping into Valentine's. I have some shadow box. I got these from last year. They're in the store now. And I didn't get to use them. So, I definitely want to use them this year. Okay? So, we're going to make, I'm doing two projects. We're going to make a shadow box candle holder. And this is going to be my stand. And we have these. I got to pick these up from last year. I'm not sure if I'm going to use 3, but I'm definitely going to use 2. And I have 3 cylinder vase. I'm going to do a 3-tier floating candle. Okay? I have some glass filter here. And I have some bling bling that I'm going to use. I did go ahead and, you know my project, I'm always arm and a leg. I did go ahead and decorate them for video purposes. And you're going to need your glue gun. So what we're going to do, this basically going to be my stand. These are back in the store as well. I have these from last year. But what I want to do, I want to paint the top because it's too pale. So, yes, you need some paint. Really, okay? I'm going to paint the top. Not really the top. I'm going to paint the side. Because I want to keep the hug and kisses. Love you always right here. Okay? So, I'm going to glue these together. I wanted something else for the back, but we're going to glue these two together. And we're going to paint these, but let's get these glued together. And then we can come back. And I'm just going to glue the side because this not going to be permanent. I'm just going to glue both sides. And I'm doing it because I want the candle holder on top here. I wish I had 3. Oh, turn it around. And I wanted to put some light inside, but it can't open from the back. So, you know me and my lights, guys. I know it's been a while, guys. It's like a month. Not been a while. It's like a month. As I said, I have my full-time job. I love to, in the future, if I can do this full time, because I love decorating. Love it. I love it. I love it. So I hope in the future I can do this full time. But for now, this is my part-time gig. Okay, so now that these are glued together, I'm gonna put these around the edge right here. Like this. So let's do this. Let's get rock and roll. And I mean, these are two easy projects. Very, very easy. I need a scissors. So I'm gonna put these around. Liking it so far. I need a stone right here. It's too short. And I'm gonna cheat this right here because I don't need this. I guess it just says satin, multi-purpose satin acrylic paint. So we're going to use this and essential acrylic paint. I think this is from Joanne, and our favorite upper barrel from Walmart. Oops, we don't need a lot. And you know my ends are heavy. I don't feel like rewriting the letters or doing the stickers. They normally like that. So I'm This is just a standing box anyway. I don't know why am I painting it, but as I said, I need to keep the love you. No, it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna go over it light and then rewrite it because it's not gonna work. It looks nasty. It doesn't look professional at all. Let's hope I can find one of them white marker pen. So I can just trace over it. let's move on to DIY. Okay, so back to the vase. So I believe they're dry. Said I wasn't gonna decorate it, but it looked too blah, so let's put on some bling bling. And these are the gem look stickers. Oh my word, they come in one piece. Anyway, we're gonna do this quick. I'm just gonna put some around the edge. I probably should alternate it, right? Because I have red here as well. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to alternate it. So we have red and pink. We have red and pink. These are the hearts. So we're going to do red, pink. Red, pink. And they come with the sticker on the back, which the sticker them don't make a sense. Believe you me. I'm gonna go right around with it. My queens, if you're liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And let's take this video to 500 likes. So you know YouTube can notice me more. I think I have some red thing that I can put on the bottom. Small one. Yep. Found some big ones. Okay. So there we go. All right, so I'm gonna put some water. I should put some up here as well. Okay, we're gonna put some filter up top. Okay. We're gonna stir it up so they mix up. Put some water in them. Put these away. Finish with you and you. Put in there like a garbage pan. And we're gonna fill it up with some water. And I'll be back. Okay guys, here we go. Here is the finished look. Alrighty, so I want to thank you, my queen of the craft room, for stopping by. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so each time I upload, you'll be first to know. And for my oldies but goodies, thank you for sticking by with me. Okay. Until I see you in my next video. Ciao. Be safe. Love you guys.